Okay. Wow. Yeah. Go and stand.
Katrine, come this side. Okay.
It's so tight, guys. I mean, it's Sunday, so this is so fresh. Wow. And now, me and my friends will enter. Here, yeah. Nice. How is it, Miss Catherine? How did you feel about it? Okay.
My dream.
Okay. Guys, it's her dream.
What's my dream?
It's her dream to sit here with this rupees 999 and having a baby sauce. Hello. Okay. Tell me about your thoughts.
Okay, so today my team is like a girl who went to take shower after she went on a date with her boyfriend. That's it.
Oh.
She's a Korean girl after her heavy shift at work. She don't get nice pay, but she do hard work in her office. But her boss suddenly fire her. This is so comfortable, you know.
Okay. So, in your future,
Ikea family.
Guys, I will relax now for some time.
time to release. Now, it's our relaxing time, so we're gonna watch TV. So here you see. Chubaw na. Guys, kay din kang mall Honda tayo try mo na. Ano vale?
Itong Valbe Sentina ka din.
Sunday mahile na. Head na call hot. I'm just kidding. Imi tam to ano to.
We will go to the next station to get
Sa kasi ito.
Ito ay doon yan.
Ito lao na. Okay. Wow, biscuit. Ano anit eh.
Guys, taka mo yan.
Cheers.
Kuya.
Coffee.
Aki mo lang pito cheers. Guys, ito ni Kithimin ka gabi rin na. Kithimin eh. Nung lang nang susok. Apa pa na kayo ka gabi rin din eh. Kasi pa eh guys nung ako kasi.
Ah, ano din ang kasi.
Ano to ba? Inano to mo.
Tayo amahi next visit next Sunday ka buko di hampat. Tayo kasi pa itayo na. So kung tato ka wang good pan natin na. Okay. Garden na guys. Garden na so tu ni chu titim ina su ka den guys mi hong hong ba pe 7 Ji ama hi lang ai tau do ai de Wow. Yo, like it's very nice. Your watch I'm taking in your shoes, okay? Yeah. Try lim suring hot. Try kaloy ho. These are my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. And now it's Zoali's turn to take picture.
Of course, how will it be?
It's a girl thing, like changing the spot, the good spot, right? So yeah, now Katrine's time to sleep again. Katrine, where's your home?
This is my home.
Okay, Katrine's house.
Guys, these are my grandmother.
Okay, now she will show me her. Yeah.
My grandmother. And that is my childhood picture.
Okay.
And that's what.
1, 2, 3, 4. Right, now we will leave this place. Katrine place.
Yeah.
Here. Katrine, kita come on room na tate. Atang tate.
Guys, ito ay bana hi. Kagarden akan pergi. Kamu ngaki mo kagarden.
Let's go to the next spot. Come on. Guys, try.
Guys, dining hall ka ba sa
Now we are in Catherine's dining hall area. So I think what you're gonna serve today, Miss.
So, I don't know exactly what they are going to serve na. Like my waiter and order. Nangkap ko mo sa ako. Hindi siya
Guys, tawag ito. Serve no heti tawag ito. Sorry guys.
Amo ko ba? Surprise din ka tina. Inside di ham kaya po eh. Inside di ham kaya po na guys. Let's wait. Let's wait for the result. What are they going to serve?
Okay.
Okay.
So let's eat. Thank you.
So, is on this one.
Yeah, just na lang.
Guys, they said that it will take time na like 5 minutes. They're going to surprise us.
The surprise starts now. 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Oh, it's so
Wow, it's a prawn.
Guys, sorry. Sabi, rumah ko may hindi.
Wait, I just don't want to go back to my hostel.
Guys, what was there? This is my house. What was there? Guys, actually she's staying in hostel na, but today she want to do a vlog on my house tour na. That's why I went and picked her up. Okay?
Yeah, it was a very nice
Can you
house room.
Can you?
Catherine's party. Yellow? Yellow.
You're my housekeeper, guys. Two yellow.
Okay, next spot.
Okay, let's go.
Finally, we found her favorite color, favorite bag. Ikea. It's not an Ikea bag. It's a Gucci bag. It suits you.
Guys, apart from blogger, she is also a very intelligent student, dedicated Christian youth. Look, what is she studying? What's up? Huh?
Oh, hi.
Hello. Wow.
So,
what is she studying?
what I'm planning is, I want to decorate my home, a house, my room. So
Yeah.
I'm just checking out which one I should do. So this IKEA is the best thing.
What? Yeah, this is my house.
I thought you were asking me a question. What I'm actually doing. So it's fine.
Guys, this is my living room, okay? They will just statue.
To him my pot. Sister. Hello, Bobby. Wow, yellow color. Yellow color. Okay, let's start shooting. Now I'm gonna click her picture. Okay. It's their kids, it seems. Hello, ma'am. Now, what are you doing?
I'm doing my office work right now, so please don't see.
Okay. What is this? Wow, you have a nice decoration in your room. Wow.
This one is not just a mouse. You can just use it for her too.
Wow. Okay. Next spot. Okay. I think the water is from the ocean.
Water, guys.
Atlantic Ocean.
Lấy sắp thế thật cơ mới sắp thấy thật. Mà cho thì không vào luôn cái nào. Mua. Let's go.
We're in a flower shop, and this is for mine. This is for her. We brought for each other. So, and I remind you again, guys. We can buy our own flowers, okay? Let's go to the next shop.
Okay.
帮我护个波卡的。 Coba. Sini aja lang. Kan soba kita
Okay. Kau pini bet sagu no ham. Okay.
Whenever you want to learn in the online, you can look here in the desktop. So I have this lamp. Like cho pat sa kon sin thai long. Ai de kon just lamp. Wow. Oh, cari non accessories, like eraser, pen, pencil, scale, whatever. Stationery box to you. This is your stationery box, which you can keep anything.
Guys, so asne decoration adi aki koi buwe na house. Video ko na siya.
Guys, I really like this bowl so much.
Guys, nhiều lại intake chim tê ho chu bol he. Sami.
Cái chỉ trọng.
Nó còn là thôi thế.
Cái color là gì à?
Pink color.
I never.
Không được. Sa kan do. Guys, तो ये हमारे apartment ना कच्ची है. Guys, nó giống đón vô.
Quay lướt phát. Quay lướt phát.
Thì shop anh kilang bộ đi hết thôi. Dạ dạ.
So these are my friends.
How was your day?
Hello, Miss Zolly, Cassie.
Today I'm already tired. I want to eat.
Guys, I think this is...
Hello,
I'm
beautiful.
searching for exit for half an hour.
Oh, Emily.
Okay, this is made by Catherine. Food and beverage, yeah.
Cái trái cái tổ nụ mẹ.
Yo, Miss is busy. Huh? Go. I didn't. Yeah.
Guys, no money. Import sa rin. Azupay ni import sa rin. Guys, Mia, tumazo si Purta ke wain so di kayo lo. Busy aham tila sum ka na ilo.
Taka joy.
Guys, okay, let's done. Guys, atang bale siya. Nakapsol tayo ay lang piya.
Just now, our reaction was
Rex.
this is how much we can afford. Just for trying, guys. This is elderflower sparkling. It's not good, so let me try this one. Like a sparkling pear. Now this is sparkling. Teka. Why is it so bad?
Lastly, we take this rainbow.
Milk for baby Casey.
So we are done eating.
이거 기자비 지나지.
18 ni kasaw talaw eh guys, katasi anali. We're gonna end our vlog here. Bye. Go 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 go. Yo. Guys, it's out. Wala mo tao. Finally, we are done for the day.
Bye.
Bye. Guys, auto agad sa Dubai yun. But that's how it is.
Ikea sa'yo. Ikea sa'yo.
So tiring.
Lima na namin. Video.